All right, we're gonna do something fun here. So I've been sporting this keyboard for about 3 years, full time. 8, 9 hours a day. Some days 10 days, and my letters are coming off. You can see all the letters coming off there. So I wiped it down with a wipe, but let's just do it one more time. These ones. Anyways, yeah, these ones left a little bit of lint on them after. But let's just wipe that down one more time. Apparently this keyboard is water resistant. Okay, so now that that's wiped down, get all that grease off them from having munchies when you're working. We're gonna take a napkin and we're just going to dry it off. And if you had like air in a can or a leaf blower, I found something. Okay, let's try this out. We might officially be clean now. Thank you, Rigid. All right, now I picked up these stickers off of Amazon. They had really good reviews. I can leave a link for that. So installation, wipe, done. Peel, done. Stick, done. Lightly press. Okay, so it came with 2 sets. So, I could do a laptop down the road or whatever. Let's open these up. Ooh. I've got scissors. Okay, this is good. Let's dive into this. Let's see if you can get a better view. And very carefully place it on the key. Okay, that worked. Okay, so there you have it. I didn't have to use all of them. I did have, maybe I needed 2 shifts, but anyways, that looks way better, and we're gonna call that good. Now we just gotta type on it. Okay, let's give it the old feel there. Yeah, I still got the little things there on the index fingers. I'm gonna call that a win. That saved my keyboard. I've got another, hopefully 3 years. Okay, maybe not 3 years, but we'll see how that ink holds up compared to the factory ink. For, I think it was like between, I think it was like $6.99 or $5. 2 packs. This will work good on my laptop too. You can see my laptop. I'm losing keys there too. Say bye, Hattie. Okay, she's pooped. All right, God loves you. Peace out. See you later.